Have you ever pondered over the question, will your job exist in the next 10 years, or will it be taken over by artificial intelligence? As we navigate the digital age, the impact of AI on jobs is becoming increasingly significant. It's shaping our future workplaces, sparking both excitement and fear. While AI brings in efficiency and precision, there's a looming worry about job security. Will robots replace us, or will they create new jobs? These questions hover in our minds. So, let's dive into the countdown of the 20 jobs from least to most that AI could potentially replace. Kicking off our countdown at number 20, we have telephone operators. With the rise of automated voice systems, the need for human operators is steadily decreasing. At number 19, we find data entry clerks. With the ability of AI to accurately input and handle large amounts of data, this job is also on the decline. Moving on to number 18, we see mail sorters. Automated systems can now sort mail faster and more accurately than humans. At number 17, we have proofreaders. With the invention of sophisticated AI proofreading tools, the demand for human proofreaders is dwindling. Finally, at number 16, we have receptionists. The advent of AI chatbots and automated scheduling systems has greatly reduced the need for human receptionists. And that rounds up the first 5 jobs on our list. But hold on, we're just getting started. Moving swiftly along, we come to job number 15, telemarketers. With AI's capability to converse, understand emotions, and respond accordingly, it's no surprise that this role is under threat. Next, at number 14, we have proofreaders. AI's advanced language processing tools can identify and correct grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and even suggest style improvements, potentially making human proofreaders redundant. Coming in at number 13 are receptionists. AI chatbots and voice assistants can schedule appointments, handle queries, and manage calendars, tasks that were traditionally assigned to receptionists. Number 12 brings us to market research analysts. AI algorithms can analyze market trends, consumer behavior, and competition strategies faster and more accurately than a human analyst. Finally, at number 11, we have bookkeepers. AI can easily automate bookkeeping tasks, such as data entry and invoice handling, which could render human bookkeepers obsolete. Are you starting to see a pattern here? Well, brace yourself for the top 10. We've now reached the top 10. Starting with job number 10, we have telemarketers. With AI's ability to mimic human speech, it's no surprise that telemarketing is on the list. Next at number 9, we have bookkeeping clerks. Automations and algorithms can do this job more efficiently and without room for human error. Coming in at number 8 are receptionists. With the rise of AI chatbots, the need for human receptionists is diminishing. At number 7, we find proofreaders. AI can now not only check for spelling and grammar, but also for style and tone. Finally, at number 6 are market research analysts. AI systems can now analyze data and predict trends at a much faster rate than humans. We're down to our final 5. Any guesses on what could top our list? Here we are, the final stretch. The top 5 jobs most threatened by AI are... Coming in at number 5 are telemarketers. With automated calls and messages becoming more prevalent, the need for human telemarketers is dwindling. Following closely behind at number 4 are bookkeeping clerks. As financial software becomes more advanced, these roles are increasingly being automated. Taking the third spot are data entry keyers. AI is rapidly advancing in this field with machine learning algorithms capable of processing data much faster and more accurately than humans. At number 2 are proofreaders. AI can now detect grammar, punctuation, and even style errors, making human proofreaders less necessary. And finally, the job most threatened by AI is the role of receptionists. With the rise of automated answering systems and digital assistants, the need for human receptionists is rapidly decreasing. And there you have it, the top 20 jobs threatened by the rise of artificial intelligence. It's clear that the rise of AI is both exciting and intimidating. In this rapidly evolving landscape, it's crucial to stay informed. Change can be daunting, but it also brings opportunities. Remember, while it's true that some jobs may disappear, new ones will undoubtedly emerge. Innovation has always been a catalyst for job creation, and AI is no different. The future is uncertain, but one thing is for sure, the world of work is changing. And as we continue to navigate this brave new world, remember, it's not about the jobs we lose to AI, but the ones we'll create because of it.